This is the cotton thread which I use. It's almost 300 meters long. It's easily available, it's cheap, and you can use this almost for a year. Take a loop like this, tie a knot, twirl it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I usually do it for 7 times. So as you can see the V shape over here, it will stick your hair in this and it will pluck them away. So I suggest you all to do a practice of this so your fingers will get used to this. I am going to show you a live example of this. Once you're ready with this, you can do anything. You can do your eyebrows, you can do your upper lips, you can do your lower lips, forehead, anything, any facial hair. As you can see the loop, you can see the direction of the hair. So you take a bigger loop over here and you place the bigger loop in the opposite direction of the hair, and then you do this. See how fast it works. Now it's your turn. See how clean it became. Do not cut your fingers. First you need to learn to hold the thread, and within a practice of a couple of days you'll be able to do this. That's how I learned by my own. So I am making this a tutorial so that you can do it easily. After you successfully learn to hold the thread, then you can try on your feet to practice it more precisely to give a good shape. We will do for this also. Wow, that was fast. It's not at all painful. See how clean it looks.